Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Buffer account, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To activate your Buffer account, start by visiting the Buffer website. Click on the sign up or get started button on the home page. Enter your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password that you will remember. After filling out the required fields, click on the sign up button. You will receive a confirmation email to the address you provided. Open your email inbox and locate the email from Buffer. Click on the link within that email to verify your account. Once your email is confirmed, return to the Buffer website. Log in using your email and the password you created. Next, you'll be prompted to connect your social media accounts. Choose the social media platforms you want to link, such as Twitter, Facebook, or Instagram. Follow the on-screen instructions to authorize Buffer to access your accounts. After connecting your accounts, you can set up your profile. Fill in any additional information that Buffer requests. Once you've completed the setup, you will be directed to your Buffer dashboard. Here you can start scheduling posts and managing your social media content. Take a moment to explore the features available in your account. Once you're familiar with the interface, you can start using Buffer to enhance your social media strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.